Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of the ProLift 3-ton jack stands Model T6903D. ProLift. The name sounds familiar. Hold on, I think I'm having a flashback.
Obviously this nut was made during the Chinese New Year because it doesn't match the other three. Just put an adjustable wrench on it.
That's right, I did a video on a ProLift floor jack where I replaced the seals. And that was a Shinn ProLift. I don't know if it's the same company. This is the same company, Shinn. Well, to be fair to the company, that floor jack from ProLift was probably over 40 years old. The guy that screwed up the dimensioning of the bolt on that floor jack probably either retired or maybe the Chinese already harvested his organs. So this is made in China. Minimum height is 11 1/4 inches or 28.8 centimeters. Maximum height is 16 3/4 inches or 42.6 centimeters. This is a welded steel construction, and it has a dual locking system. You know, there's a lock for the ratchet, which I'm pretty satisfied with. The weight of the vehicle on the ratchet would keep it from unlocking, but this has a lock bar which allows you to move the jack around by the handle without dropping the stand. It's pretty well packaged. Got a little instruction book. I don't know why there's a cancer warning on this. It's just a jack stand. It's painted with a nice glossy paint. This little tab in here has to be knocked in towards the center so it keeps the whatever you call this thing, the riser, keeps the riser from pulling out. What I like about the footing of these jack stands is it's got these little webbings on the feet, and that'll keep the jack stand feet from digging into gravel or blacktop. See how that lock bar works. It only goes in one way. There's a flat on the bottom of this triangular part. That matches the flat at the bottom of this hole. So it goes in like that. So you can lift it up and you won't lose the height that you set the jack stand to. Let's knock that little tab in. So much for that pristine paint job. These are the jack stands I'm replacing. It's a thinner sheet metal, and they're only rated for 3,000 pounds, but I wouldn't even use them for a regular compact car. I just don't trust them. Now that I have an SUV, I just can't use them for the RAV4. So I'm going to be giving these away to one of my neighbors. And also I don't like the adjustments on these. The holes aren't even. I drilled some extra holes in there. I think it only came with 3 holes. They're not quite as adjustable as the ratcheting type of jack stands. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.